Guys, I love this science of getting rich up here, and I thought I'll do a video because like money flows is flowing to me, and it's one of those. Let me see if I once again. Let's invite some friends. It's okay. Yeah, so it's one of those mindset that you must have for you to attract wealth, prosperity in your life. Okay. So as promised in this video, some of the affirmation that I use. Okay, why should you use affirmation? Just like the Dr. Emoto experiment, words affect molecule. Okay, so you having a wealth mindset, okay, wealth consciousness, which I teach more in my wealth manifestation program and coaching. You having a wealth mindset, or like even like little image like this, having money flowing to you, which is quite beautiful, or like money or prosperity in your house, okay, or even around you, okay, in your environment, that will contribute or help to attract more wealth, prosperity in your life. So here's one of the affirmation that I use is that money flows to me easily and effortlessly now, or money flows to you easily and effortlessly now, or I'm a powerful money manifester. Okay, business is booming right now. I make 12 or more sales per day, and what else? I earn money fast, easily and fast. So, or I manifest money easily and fast. So it's these type of affirmations that will contribute in you manifesting more wealth in your reality. Okay, so like I was saying before, it's not just manifesting. It's not just affirmation, but it's just a matter of awareness, or you applying ideas and strategies, approach that will help you manifest your goal or earn more money in your life. So I hope you enjoy this little money manifestation. So comment below. Money flows to me easily and effortlessly now, or you can comment I am powerful money manifester. Okay, that's I manifest money easily and fast always. Okay, I always manifest money easily and fast. So those are okay. I always manifest money easily and fast, so that you attract yourself with the wealth in your life. Okay, I am wealthy and so forth. Okay, so thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little science of getting rich here. I don't know what to call it, but it's quite nice. I cannot stop watching it. I think I should like download it, have it like on my phone or something. Okay, so it's a great event like this. Money is flowing to me. It's like flowing to my pocket. Okay, or in your bank account. Okay, it keeps you or put you in that money vibration. Wow, that feels good. Okay, so thank you for watching, guys. Bye for now. Don't forget to comment below and share this wealth vibration to your friends and family. Bye.